I'm going to start with grasping the wild bird's tail. So all the weight is on your right foot. Right hand comes around. Bow step out with your left. And back, and again. We're going to turn those left toes. Left leg takes all the weight. Hands face. T-step with that right. Left hand comes around. Follow it with your eyes. Rotate wrist. Step out. Grasp the wild bird's tail. And again. And stop. Left hand comes down. Right hand hooks, thumb underneath, carry the lantern. And around, turn those right toes. Left hand, step in with your right foot. Let it take all the weight. Follow that hand around with your eyes. Right hand only. Following it with your eyes. Left hand, left foot. Follow it with your eyes. Right hand only. This is hands move like white puffy clouds. Let all the weight on your left hand across your body, hook it, make that lantern, single whip, come around, carry the lantern, turn right toes. That's it.